Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Standard 9th English Bridge course, Activity 13. One of the most interesting thing for you children is listening to a story, isn't it? बचपन से कहानियाँ सुनना सभी को अच्छा लगता है। इस एक्टिविटी में आप स्टोरीज क्रिएट करना सीखने वाले हो। Imaginary story with fun. You will be able to develop story with new ideas and linking the ideas properly. What you have to do? You have to use simple ideas to write a story with your imagination. Try to create the same picture or scene in your mind. Make use of keywords to complete the story. I am going to read a story, The Old Man and His Four Sons. First of all, we are going to see the keywords so that with the help of the keywords you can easily imagine the whole picture and write a story. See the keywords. Old farmer, four sons, always quarrel, bundle of sticks, couldn't break, single stick, easily broken, union is strength. आउटलाइन ही है ना कहानी की। तो अब इस आउटलाइन से इन कीवर्ड्स का यूज किया है मैंने और यह कहानी बिल्डअप की है। देखो, एन ओल्ड फार्मर हैड फोर सन्स, दे ऑलवेज क्वारल्ड विथ वन अनदर, सो द फार्मर वांटेड टू टीच देम अ लेसन. He called his sons together and gave them a bundle of sticks. Then he asked each of them to break it, but no one could break the bundle. The farmer then untied the bundle and asked them to break the stick one by one. Now they broke them easily. The old man said, "If you live together, no one will harm you. Union is strength." एकता में शक्ति है। इसी तरह से आपने कहानी कंप्लीट करना है। आई एम गोइंग टू रीड 2 more stories. The Thirsty Crow, The Camel and the Fox. Now, what you have to do? You have to enlist the keywords. Okay? The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. For a long time, he could not find any. He felt very weak, almost lost all hope. Suddenly, he saw a water jug below the tree. He flew straight down to see if there was any water inside. Yes, he could see some water inside the jug. The crow tried to push his head into the jug. Sadly, he found that the neck of the jug was too narrow. Then he tried to push the jug to tilt for the water to flow out, but the jug was too heavy. उस जग को टेढ़ा कर कर पानी गिराने की कोशिश की, लेकिन जग बहुत ही हेवी वजनदार था तो टेढ़ा हुआ नहीं. The crow thought hard for a while. Then looking around it, he saw some pebbles. He suddenly had a good idea. He started picking up the pebbles one by one, dropping each into the jug. As more and more pebbles filled the jug, the water level kept rising. Soon it was high enough for the crow to drink. His plan had worked. पानी ऊपर आ गया, कौवे ने पानी पिया और उड़ गया। इस कहानी के कीवर्ड्स आपने लिखकर निकालने हैं। Then one more story, The Camel and the Fox. Once upon a time, in a forest, there lived a camel and a fox. They became good friends. Sometimes they used to go together in search of food. One day, they saw sugarcane fields on the other side of the river. They planned to cross the river to enjoy the sugarcane. But the fox couldn't swim, so he insisted the camel to carry him on his back. The camel agreed. He carried the fox on his back and crossed the river. They entered the sugarcane field and began to eat. गन्ने के खेत में पहुंच गए और खाना शुरू कर दिया। Soon the fox had full stomach. लोमड़ी का पेट भर गया। Camel was still grazing. All of a sudden, the fox began to howl loudly. The camel asked him to keep quiet, or the farmers would notice them. The fox said, "It's my habit to howl after meals." Soon the farmers reached the spot with heavy sticks. लोमड़ी की आवाज सुनकर किसान मोटी लकड़ियों के साथ वहां पर पहुंच गए। The fox ran away and hid behind the bushes. लोमड़ी झाड़ियों के पीछे जाकर छुप गई। The camel was left alone to get harsh beating. बहुत मारा बेचारे को। He was beaten badly before he could run away. While going back, the fox jumped on the back of the camel and requested to carry him across the river. फिर से नदी को पार कर कर जंगल जाना है। कैमल की पीठ पर लोमड़ी जाकर बैठ गई। The camel agreed, but he decided to teach the fox a lesson. अब इसे सबक सिखाऊंगा। When they came in the middle of the water, the camel took a deliberate dip in the river. The fox was full of terror. पानी के बीचों बीच उठ बैठ गया, डुबकी लगाने लगा। अब लोमड़ी क्या करे? He pleaded the camel not to do so. नहीं नहीं, मैं डूब जाऊंगी, नीचे पानी में मत बैठो। कैमल ने क्या कहा देखो। The camel replied, "It's my habit to take a dip after meals." खाने के बाद मुझे नदी में एक डुबकी लगाना होता है। The fox fell down into the river. लोमड़ी पानी में गिर गई। He had to struggle hard to save his life. अपनी जान बचाने के लिए कठिन प्रयास करना पड़ा। मॉरल क्या है स्टोरी का? टिट फॉर टैट, जैसे को तैसा। Now, you can use keywords to compose a story and link the ideas sequentially. सही क्रम से अपनी आइडियाज को लगाकर स्टोरी आपने बनाना है। ओके, यह एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करो, नई नई स्टोरीज लिखो और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो। We shall meet with a new activity tomorrow. Thank you.